All of you must have heard about these famous sayings like time and tide wait for none, a stitch in time saves nine, or famous quote by William Shakespeare, better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late, and many more sayings like these relate to one of the noblest virtues which all of us should inculcate in us, and that virtue is punctuality. Hello everyone, I'm Rupinder Kaur, English mistress from Government Girls High School Atari, Block Amritsar 4, District Amritsar. Today in the EBC platform for teachers, I'm going to express my views on the topic punctuality. In the simple words, punctuality means on time, or we can say that to be able to complete a task at a designated time. We cannot stop time or turn it back. Every second is very precious. That is why it is very important to be punctual in our life. Moreover, you will become happier when you get punctual. It is evident that punctuality is one of the key aspects to attain success in life. One who understands and values time can easily become a punctual individual and in lieu become successful. All of us know that time is the most precious thing in our life. Time once lost can never come back. It is the habit of punctuality which makes us understand and learn to respect the value of time. Becoming a successful person implies attaining one's goals in time with proper planning and dedication, which can again only be attained by being punctual in life. For a student, punctuality is the stepping stone towards discipline and sincerity. A student being punctual is considered having one of the noblest virtues. It helps all the students to cultivate the habit of completing their tasks in due time. Punctuality should be practiced from an early childhood. For example, if a student has the habit of punctuality, he will manage to reach school in time and complete his assignments. Similarly, if an employee follows punctuality, he commands respect of his colleagues and the boss. In the broader sense, punctuality means showing interest in your work and having positive attitude towards the people around you. If we follow a set program of life, we will be healthy and fit. In this regard, punctuality means eating, sleeping, awaking on time. It will help us to improve our health and work capacity as well. Punctuality proves the great saying that a stitch in time saves nine. Punctuality is not only being practiced by the human beings, but also by the nature around us. Every day, the sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. After the day comes the night. All the natural phenomena works according to the set timeline. So all these natural things or the natural objects, the heavenly objects, they encourage us to be punctual in our life. Punctuality is the essence of life. The development of a country depends on the fact that how much its people understand the value of time. And if they do, it will ultimately help their country to progress. Therefore, punctuality is not only the key to success for an individual, but also for the entire community and the nation at large. So in the end, I can say that punctuality is the secret of success. If we are on time, we are prepared to do our best. This way, we can be dependable and indispensable for the people around us. So with these words, I wind up my topic. Thank you. Have a great day.